Today we are going to learn about mastering custom alerts with Grafana. We'll explore setting up custom alerts for real-time system monitoring, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to create and configure alerts tailored to your specific monitoring needs. Welcome to our video on mastering custom alerts with Grafana. Grafana is a powerful open-source platform for monitoring and observability, which allows users to visualize and analyze data from various sources. One of its key features is the capability to set up alerts, which are crucial for proactive system management. Alerts notify users about potential issues in real time, enabling quick responses to problems and minimizing downtime. In this video, we will delve into Grafana's alerting capabilities, from setting up a basic dashboard to creating custom alerts and integrating them with popular notification channels like Slack and email. By the end of this session, you will have the skills to tailor alerts to meet your specific monitoring needs efficiently.
Before we can set up alerts, it's important to have a basic understanding of how to create a Grafana dashboard. Dashboards in Grafana are the central hub for all your monitoring data. To begin, navigate to the Grafana homepage and click on Create New Dashboard. Here, you can add panels, which are the building blocks of a Grafana dashboard. Each panel can display data in various formats, such as graphs, tables, or text. Visualizations are customizable, allowing you to select the best format for your data representation. Customize the layout of your dashboard by dragging and resizing panels to fit your needs. Once your dashboard is set up, don't forget to save your configuration. You can also share your dashboard with team members, enabling collaborative monitoring efforts. By mastering this setup, you lay a solid foundation for implementing effective alerts.
Alert rules form the backbone of Grafana's alerting system. They dictate when an alert should be triggered based on certain conditions. To set up an alert rule, select a panel from your dashboard and access the Alert tab. Here, you can define alert conditions. For instance, you might want an alert to trigger if CPU usage exceeds 80% for a sustained period. This is where you specify the evaluation interval, which determines how frequently Grafana checks the alert condition. Additionally, set up alert thresholds to delineate when an alert should transition from OK to warning or critical. A practical example could be monitoring server load, where you define thresholds to alert you when the load is too high, allowing you to take preemptive actions to prevent service disruptions. Understanding and configuring these rules and conditions are crucial for effective alert management. Once you've set up alert rules, the next step is configuring notification channels. Notification channels determine how alerts are communicated to your team. Grafana supports various types of channels, including email, Slack, PagerDuty, and more. To configure a notification channel, navigate to the alerting section and select notification channels. Choose the type of channel you wish to configure and enter the necessary details, such as email addresses or Slack webhook URLs. It's crucial to ensure that your notification settings are correctly configured so alerts reach the right people promptly. For seamless team communication, integrating Grafana alerts with tools like Slack can streamline your incident response process. Finally, test your notification settings to verify that alerts are being sent and received as expected. Proper configuration of notification channels is essential for maintaining effective communication and ensuring prompt response to alerts. Creating custom alert queries allows you to tailor alerts specifically to your monitoring requirements. An alert query is essentially a data query that Grafana evaluates to determine if an alert condition is met. To build a custom alert query, navigate to the panel where you want to set the alert and access the query section. Here, you can use Grafana's query editor to define your alert query. The query editor supports various data sources and provides functions and transformations to manipulate data as needed. For instance, you could create a query to monitor the average response time of a web application, applying functions to calculate averages over specified periods. This customization ensures that alerts are relevant and actionable. An example of a custom alert query might involve monitoring network latency and setting alerts based on deviations from normal patterns. Mastering custom alert queries enables you to create precise and meaningful alerts that align with your monitoring goals. Integrating Grafana alerts with communication platforms like Slack and email enhances your ability to respond quickly to issues. Slack integration allows alerts to be pushed directly into your team's communication channels, ensuring visibility and enabling collaborative resolution. To set up Slack notifications, first create a Slack app and configure a webhook URL. Then, in Grafana, go to Notification Channels and set up a new Slack channel, entering the webhook URL and customizing the alert message format. Similarly, for email notifications, enter the recipient addresses and customize the email content to provide clear and actionable information. Testing these integrated notifications is crucial to ensure that alerts are reaching the right channels in a timely manner. Customizing alert messages can include adding links to dashboards or runbooks, providing context for faster troubleshooting. By integrating Grafana alerts with Slack and email, you enhance your team's ability to manage incidents effectively and maintain system reliability. Testing and validating alert configurations is a critical step to ensure that your alerting system functions as expected. It's important to verify that alerts are triggered under the right conditions and delivered accurately to the designated notification channels. One method for testing alerts is to simulate alert conditions by adjusting query thresholds or temporarily altering data inputs. This allows you to observe how alerts behave in different scenarios. Additionally, review the delivery of alerts to confirm they are reaching the intended recipients and channels promptly. Evaluate the accuracy of alert messages to ensure they provide clear and actionable information. If any issues are identified, make necessary adjustments to alert rules, queries, or notification settings to improve performance. Regular testing and validation help maintain an effective alerting system, minimizing false positives and ensuring that real issues are addressed swiftly. Alert fatigue occurs when users are overwhelmed by a high volume of alerts, leading to desensitization and delayed responses to critical issues. To manage alert fatigue effectively, it's important to adopt strategies that reduce alert noise and prioritize actionable alerts. Start by categorizing alerts based on their severity and impact, ensuring that critical alerts are prioritized and receive immediate attention. Implement thresholds and conditions that minimize false positives, and regularly review alert rules to ensure they remain relevant and effective. It's also beneficial to involve team members in the review process, as they can provide insights into the operational impact of alerts. Continuous improvement is key. Regularly assess the performance of your alerting system and make adjustments as needed to enhance its effectiveness. By managing alert fatigue, you ensure that your team remains responsive to critical issues, maintaining system reliability and performance.
In conclusion, mastering custom alerts with Grafana empowers you to proactively manage your systems by providing real-time monitoring and notifications. We've covered the essential steps to set up and configure alerts, from creating dashboards and defining alert rules to integrating with communication tools and managing alert fatigue. Effective alerting is crucial for maintaining system reliability and ensuring quick responses to potential issues. We encourage you to apply the skills you've learned in this video to your own monitoring environments. For further learning, explore Grafana's extensive documentation and community resources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content on monitoring and observability. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing how you leverage Grafana's powerful alerting capabilities in your systems.